In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets in Miro. Bulleted lists are perfect for planning, stand-up notes, or quick checklists on your boards, and the process is fast once you know the exact keys to press. Let's walk through it from a blank canvas to a clean, structured list. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board where you want to work. If you're starting fresh, create a new board. Otherwise, open the project you already have. Confirm you have edit access and zoom to a comfortable level so your text is easy to place and read while you work. Next, switch to text mode. On the toolbar along the left edge, click the text button or simply press the T key on your keyboard to activate it. You'll notice the cursor changes to indicate text input. If you don't see the button, the toolbar may be collapsed. Hover over it to expand and choose text. Now create a text box on your board. Click once anywhere on the canvas to insert a text box that grows as you type, or click and drag to draw a fixed width text area if you prefer controlled line wrapping. After placing it, you can reposition the box by dragging its frame and resize it with the handles on the sides. To turn your text into a bulleted list, type a hyphen followed by a space or an asterisk followed by a space. Miro recognizes either as a bullet trigger and automatically formats the line as the first bullet point. Start typing your first item right after the space for a clean, consistent bullet aligned with your text box. When you're ready for the next bullet, press Enter or Return, and a new bullet will appear on the following line. Continue pressing Enter after each item to build your list at the pace you need. When you're finished and want to switch back to regular text, press Enter or Return twice to end the list cleanly. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, switched to text mode, placed the text box, triggered bullets with a simple hyphen or asterisk, and managed the list using Enter. As a quick tip, you can move or resize the text box at any time, and Miro autosaves your changes so nothing gets lost. For clarity in collaborative sessions, keep item names short and action-focused, and zoom in or out to match the scale of your board content. Use the board as alignment guides as you drag the text box so your list lines up neatly with frames, sticky notes, or other elements without extra adjusting.